worthless without a goddess, because she is necessary to manifest my thoughts in the physical aspects. So first upon deck is the great deity Dah, no to project verbal analogy you might not heard yet. Nothing is new under the sun except maybe this one son of humanity filling the holes up in your mental cavity, providing clarity, serendipity as we unite to hack, tackle, and mangle the beast from every angle, dwelling among us in the capital quadrangle. With righteous sons, our ability should be ample to enter the Coliseum and unite versus this new world phenom. Transform to a rap node, my son, and shoot you can beat 'em. So how many soldiers do we have who are willing to play the phantom, ravaging through evil quadrants, regardless of race and handsome men sons who are
Good evening. We interrupt your regularly scheduled program to bring you breaking news of the great deity Dah's new discovery on infinite energy. He has just appeared at the New Energy Research Institute located at the Center Square. The great deity Dah has brought us the newest result from his personal lab. The infinite energy he found from the deep ocean can help the city not produce tail gas anymore. He also explained that this unique energy has been successfully tested, and he is now trying to import it into a new model of self-driving car.